Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video reviewing how to solve one-step equations using addition and subtraction. So anytime we see an equation, right here we're going to solve for x, we want to isolate the variable, okay? So right now x is our only variable, so that's what we want to isolate. Then we want to look and say, what is keeping x from being by itself? Remember, isolate just means get it alone. So what's keeping x from being by itself? And in this case, it's this minus 6. So how can we get rid of minus 6 on this side of the equal sign? We've got x minus 6. Well, we can add 6. And if we add 6 to one side, what do we have to do? We have to do the same thing to the other side. So then we're left with x, the 6's cancel, equals, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So our final answer is x equals 9. And so that's just solving a simple one-step equation using addition or subtraction.